you, Lord. So, the women's retreat is a powerful time that I've experienced, and this is going to be my 4th year of being here with the Crossroads Christians Women's Retreat, and the Lord has a powerful encounter every single time, and it grows in intensity from glory to glory, and I've experienced this with every single time. And I just remember this right now because it's so powerful, because even when I was standing back in worship, I could feel this, because I used to be just like this pathetic, lonely thing standing in the back. Lord, more, Lord, I receive, Lord. And to be pushed forward mightily, you know, from a place where you had nothing, to be pushed into that realm by the Lord. For someone who would be like, okay, what prophetic do you have for me? To the time that now He's pushed me and said, I'm going to use you as a vessel to speak my prophetic into the others who need it. And the women's retreat is just not these 3 days. Because from now on, it's like from taking from here and you walk in and cultivate whatever you've received it, because salvation is a process. It's not that we've been saved once and we broke that chain and okay, you know what, I'm done with my retreat, so now let me be a stalemate for the rest of the year. When we cultivate what we have received, whether we be it through the sozo, filled to the brim, listening to on Sunday's word, whatever it is a mighty turning over of the Lord's plan for your life. And I think this women's retreat, right now, this is good. Okay, so even the placement of the room is a testimony. I've been placed with 2 amazing women, Sandra, Pastor Sandy, and Grace. And I had received a prophetic word about me being fruitful 3 or 4 years back, and obviously I'll jump, and I was excited, but and I don't see that, and then I was stifling it in, because it's not nice to show that, oh, if the prophetic didn't come in through, what's happening? There's nothing happening through in my life. And Pastor Sandy spoke an amazing testimony of how she went through her childbirth. Grace spoke about her testimony about childbirth. I was, Lord, what are you making me listen to 2 women who have gone through this? What are you trying to do to me? But I was like, okay, I'll take it in. And the exact thing that happened was, Sally walks behind me and she tells me, I've been praying for you, and I have this book for you full of testimonies of supernatural childbearing. And I wept. I wept because I know that I've been not left alone, because Christ works in all of these wonder vessels of women that He's been using to speak and to remind me of the prophecy that He has not forgotten me. And that's what the women's retreat is all about. It's about Him, an encounter that's a powerful encounter over and over, over and over. If you've been just that one person who's been standing on the back and saying, I don't know where the Lord is going to lead me, remember this, the next thing He's going to do is He'll push you forward, and He's going to use you mightily in terms of worship or praise, in terms of prophetic, in terms of just doing something amazing, and He will use you as a powerful weapon. And that's my Jesus. That's our Jesus. And He works more and more, elevating us from glory to glory.
Yeah.